Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make donuts. We'll start by gathering all the necessary ingredients, like flour, sugar, and yeast, ensuring everything is ready. Then, we'll prepare our workspace and baking tools, making sure we have everything at hand for a smooth process. This easy method will guide you through simple steps to create delicious homemade donuts that everyone will love. Next, we'll combine our dry and wet ingredients, mixing them thoroughly until well incorporated. Then, gently knead the dough until it becomes smooth and elastic, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. After kneading, place the dough in a lightly oiled bowl and cover it. Let it proof in a warm spot for approximately 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. Now, it's time to shape our donuts. Gently roll out the proof dough to a thickness of about 1/2 inch. Use a 3-inch donut cutter to create your desired shapes, including the centers. Carefully place the cut donuts into hot oil, maintaining a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry each side for about 2 minutes until golden brown, or bake them if you prefer. Finally, let's add that delicious finishing touch. Prepare a simple glaze by whisking together powdered sugar and a small amount of milk until smooth. While the donuts are still warm, carefully dip each one into the glaze, ensuring it's evenly coated. Place them on a wire rack to set. Serve your fresh, homemade donuts immediately and enjoy this delightful treat you've created.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.